got gold bricks, slug up your whole clique. B.U.B. and cash spitting that dope shit. Seattle gold grills tighter than roast clips. Send you a mo kit, send you a mo kit. I got gold bricks, slug up your whole clique.
What's up, SGG fam? What's up, YouTube? Today I'm gonna be doing the very first Grillz story, y'all. Grillz story, or jewelry story in general. This one I'm gonna be touching on something that's a little more unique than what I've done in any other videos. I know you guys are wondering, what the heck is this we're looking at right here? What is this we are looking at right here? This you're looking at is actually one of my clients' old grills. A lot of times we get a lot of different type of requests come in, and you know, there'd be various different things that people ask us to do. I could immediately tell this is one of our old grills because it has this cutoff thing in the back teeth, which you no longer do. That was my former partner that did it like that. We're no longer doing them like that. We're doing them with the full backs, so you get the full comfort fit, full tight fit, and it's covering all the teeth, and it's fitting to perfection. Also making them a little bit thicker so that they'll be able to last a lot longer. So this client came in. He's one of the fairly well-known artists out of Seattle, Washington. He had one of his old grills that he got from us. If you're wondering what's going on right here and why it looks like that, this thing had fully flooded fangs. Those are where the diamonds went. Both teeth. He had fangs on both teeth on the bottom, and it was a 8-piece, I believe it was an 8-piece yellow gold. And in these type of situations, it's always going to run you a little bit more because we have to remove all of those stones. I actually did this myself for him. Had to take out all those stones, and you have to do it without trying to not break them. Because when you're removing the stones, and it has no holes in there like that, you can't push them out from the back. That's called blind set. And you can't push them out from the back, y'all. You gotta cut on the sides and remove them yourself. It takes time. So in these type of situations, you're going to be paying for the removal of the stones. So let me show you what the new one looks like. We created him a new one, and he actually wanted it white gold this time instead. So, and on this one, I actually threw him about 20 extra stones in there to make that more full. The previous one he had did not look like this. It was from one of my old setters we've updated since then. And as you can see, he got the 10K white gold full backs on each tooth. And he got the fully flooded fangs. Now, on these ones, like I said, guys, we have to remove all the previous stones. I added about 10 to 20, I think about 20 extra stones to where you got that fully flooded look right there. So now his whole tooth is flooded. I wish I had a picture of the previous one before it was done. But these ones are tight fitting on the tooth, pop right in, pop right out. If we have to do any adjustments, we do this right in the store. So this is one of our most requested things. We get a lot of people do that, but I just want to make that clear that when you're getting stones removed from an old grill, you are going to be paying about $1 per stone just to remove the stones. So say, for example, this had about 30 stones, 60 stones, about 60 extra dollars just for removing the stones. Then we have to reset the stones. We got to remake the grills like we did here and reset the stones. But as you see, that thing is beautiful. Gorgeous. Natural stones too. These are not moissanites. A lot of times, you know, from our previous videos, a lot of people, you know, assume that we do only moissanites. No, we do actually every type of stone there is. We can do natural diamonds. We do lab diamonds. We can do moissanites. We generally stay away from CZs unless somebody asks us for that, you know, just to keep the price down. But this one is natural diamonds. And it is set to perfection. When I was looking at this previous one, it was one of my old setters from about 9 years ago. And I'm looking at the quality. I'm like, man, we done ramped it up as far as the quality. But that's what they look like when you're removing stones, y'all. I'll be putting out a lot more informal videos. My bad, I'm losing my formal videos going over, you know, just various different things that we do in this trade. It's not an easy trade. I know everybody wants to say, I want to be a jeweler. No, you do not. It's not easy, y'all. It's not going to be overnight. You know, I didn't get to where I'm at overnight. It took time. It's going to take time. Got to commit. But appreciate everybody. Please do not jump in my DMs talking about you want to be a jeweler. I'm not even going to respond. But yeah, if you want to get you a grill and you have old jewelry that you want to take the stones out, just remember it's going to be an extra cost to remove those stones and to reset them in a new grill. As you see here, the polish is to perfection. My son actually polished this. It came in not to our quality of polishing, but he put a nice polish on that. Got it looking extremely good. I'm gonna see if I can get a picture of my guy or a video of my guy rocking this, because I know he's gonna be super pumped when he sees this in his mouth. It looks way better than the previous one we did, and I'm just excited to do these type of jobs for people. You guys keep looking out for your boy. Keep subscribing to the channel. Keep tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend about us, because you know what makes us different from others is we are Black family jewelers. You know, we try to stick together, but you know, a lot of our people want to stunt on each other. Not support, stunt on each other. But yeah, this is the mold kit package you want to get. If you want to get any type of grill out of state, we ship these to you. You ship them back. We make your grills. Shout out to all my peoples out there that rock with us, man. We got a lot of supporters out there. I haven't been able to go live in here as much as I want because just been super booked, y'all. But that's a good thing. That's a good thing. But yeah, removing stones and adding them to a new grill. That's what this video is going to be titled. I appreciate y'all, and y'all have a blessed week. All right now, peace.